how to buy G4S token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the Mexc account and keep following the updates about this token. And don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 7 hours ago and increased by 5,000% in the last 24 hours. And also, this token trended #1 in the Ethereum section on the screener. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just click here to copy the token address and open your Bitget wallet for that. Now, as you can see, so first of all, I will just log in to my wallet. Now, what you need to do, from the top right corner, click here and make sure to select the Ethereum network. After that, click on this plus icon and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. So after that, what you need to do, just go back to your wallet and now search for your token that you just added called G4S. So this is it. Now click on it. Now click here on swap. Now switch from here. From the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. And now you can type how much you want to buy. And here you will be able to see how much you receive the token, as you can see. So after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. It's easy and simple. So this is how to buy G4S token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.